During this video we will explore how you can enhance your problem-solving skills through using mind maps. One way of organizing your ideas to solve problems or to exploit opportunities is to build a mind map. Mind mapping is where you create a visual representation of the problem or opportunity and its potential solutions. This can help organize thoughts and identify connections between different elements. Step 1. Start with a central idea. Begin with a central idea or theme in the center of your page. This could be the main topic or the problem you want to explore. Step 2. Branch out with main categories. Identify and draw main branches radiating from the central idea. These branches represent the main categories or key aspects related to your central idea. Step 3. Add subtopics as branches. For each main branch, add sub-branches to represent subtopics or details related to the main category. These sub-branches create a hierarchical structure. Step 4. Use keywords and images. Instead of writing long sentences, use keywords to represent concepts. Consider incorporating images or icons to make the mind map more visually engaging. Step 5. Connect ideas with lines. Draw lines or connectors between related ideas to show relationships. This helps to visualize connections and dependencies between different elements. Step 6. Emphasize key points. Use colors, bold fonts, or different shapes to emphasize key points or highlight important information. This makes the mind map more visually appealing and aids in information retention. Step 7. Allow for flexibility. Mind maps are flexible and can evolve as your thoughts develop. Don't be afraid to add, modify, or rearrange branches as needed. Step 8. Experiment with software. Consider using mind mapping software or apps for a digital approach. These tools often provide additional features like collaboration, easy editing, and the ability to add multimedia elements. Step 9. Review and refine. Take a step back and review your mind map. Ensure that it effectively captures your ideas and the relationships between them. Make any necessary adjustments or refinements. Let's review some additional tips. Hierarchy helps create a logical flow in your mind map. In a mind map, a hierarchy refers to the organization and structure of information, where ideas or concepts are arranged in a hierarchical or tree-like fashion. White space. Allow for white space to prevent clutter and enhance readability. Creativity. Don't be afraid to get creative with colors, doodles, and other visual elements. This can stimulate creativity and make the mind map more engaging. Mind maps are a popular tool for brainstorming, organizing thoughts, and visually representing complex information. The hierarchical nature of mind maps allows for a flexible and dynamic representation of ideas, making it easy to expand on or modify the map as new information or insights emerge. Remember, the goal of a mind map is to visually represent your thoughts and ideas in a way that is easy to understand and remember. Adjust the structure and elements based on your preferences and the nature of the information you're working with. Thanks for watching. For more information about our training courses, visit us at PM.Ideas.net.